Oh, they killed him?
Hi there, hot dude.
Hey, what's up?
I'm dragging them away from shit.
Forgot I'm the only healer. Soul res me. That would actually be a good res. Soul res me, please. No. She doesn't. Oh, she is. I think she's healing now. So that's a good first step to success.
Yep. First step is
Realizing that you're a healer.
knowing your character. She has figured out the
now.
character. At one point. On his low.
That was our best shot. We had two okay shots. Wait.
Hmm?
I'm silver, hero damage.
I'm gold.
What?
I think I got silver.
I have silver Elans.
So do I. And I've got gold hero damage.
But I played healer. I played
Oh wait, that's a good point. How do you have silver hero damage, dude?
I played Widowmaker, then I played a bit of Sombra, and then I went to Zen, now I'm on Anna. And I'm silver hero damage.
Do you want me to go Winston? It might be our best shot at winning.
Try this?
My Winston's deteriorated significantly, but I think it's probably still my best hero. But yeah, my Winston's gone down the fucking drain.
Someone ruined. Is this Freezor talking?
Sun probably would have been good too. Do they have a widow?
Yes. Freezor killed them.
Holy shit, Freezor's a god. Mercy dog.
Freezor peel for me. He's aimbotting?
Who is?
I think they said the Bastion's aimbotting now. Freezor?
Wait, really?
Apparently.
Was he just like pretending to throw? But now he's
I
trying,
guess.
but he just got raped
I don't know.
anyway. Alright, well, Winston didn't go well. My Winston's deteriorated so far. I honestly think
Are you
it's...
kidding? Maze jumps in the way of my... I think he's trying now.
If cheating's trying.
I mean, if he is aimbotting, we could potentially draw this.
He's aimbotting, he's getting reported for 2 things.
Yeah. What?
Blizzard likes that evidence.
It's on me.
Wait, do they?
My nade missed so bad. It was like every single one of our ults. So good news. I lost hero damage. Oh, we could have stalled her so hard. Still can.
Still can, I guess. Jans, do you want to swap now? You can go Winston. Since this guy's trying.
Well, he's not super trying.
Oh dear God.
He's like still feeling. I got a Hanzo now.
As long as he's playing. Winston was more for like the full hold first point than second point.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can do just as well as I can. Oh, our Bastion's down.
Sorry. I'm dead. I'm rezzed. Stop running from me. They're still running. We hold this?
See, they wouldn't report him when he was throwing for us, but they will report him for.
Right now he's cheating.
Yeah, that's a little fucked up, dude. Not gonna lie. A little fucked up, wouldn't you think? I mean, as long as he's getting banned.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta clean up the servers. Oh, our May's dead. We could lose this. Oh, well.
Ruh-roh.
Zarya's anti if it makes you feel any better. I'm getting zoned off right now. I'm anti. No, Yan's my son. I slept Tracer.
Oh.
This game sucks.
Freaking Matrix, dude. I meleeed her after I shot, which woke her up.
Yeah.
Oh,
How are you supposed to know it's D.Va's and Matrix and everything? Where's this grab? Holy moly, it just got me.
Use some healing.
Yeah, I'm at like 2 HP too. How did that nade miss you? It was like right on you, wasn't it?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I have to boost someone to make money. Now they want to throw.
What do they want?
So the enemy team's like, throw. Because the Bastion's like, I need to lose this so I can make some money. I'm trying to boost someone.
Oh, the Bastion's trying to boost someone?
Yeah, the Bastion needs to throw so we can boost someone.
Hello.
That definitely went to the wrong person. I was supposed to go to Yans.
That's not good.
Yeah, I don't think this is a W.
I don't know about that solo ult.
It could have been that or death, to be fair.
Hmm?
It could have been that or death, and then she like freaked out.
That's true.
I'm stuck. Yeah, no, of course he isn't.
Well, if you press Q, then you become a projectile hero. And aimbots don't work with that. Try and get one person on front of the phone.
That's it.
Whoop! Oh darn. I should have teleported on point.
Report. Cheating. Aimbot.
Is there like a other
Or-
category?
Port griefing, maybe? I don't know.
All of the above.
Intentionally.
Oh, let's watch this play the game, dude.
Oh, dude, I don't know. Watch this. So hard. Look at that hard aim lock, dude.
Oh dear. Yeah, Yan's your host, by the way.
Dude. I healed my mind out that game. Can you guys please throw now? I'm good.